Yo, what's up, guys? I'm gonna do a little unboxing with Hayden. You can't see him. Can't see him. And then me from Knuckle Fingerboards. Alright, let's do this. Shipping took 4 days. Ordered it Sunday, today's Thursday. So yeah. So here's the whole complete set. Little bubble in that. Then in here I got a broken Knuckle Fingerboard sticker. And a People's Republic like postcard type thing with a 10% discount thing. Look at that, Hayden. The invoice just says so here's the actual fingerboard. I got a yellow deck with black chucks and white wheels. So here it is, Hayden. So it comes in like this little baggy set. So here's the wheels with the chucks. Turn wheel screws slowly on. And then here's the deck. Oh, that's nice. Hayden, this is nice.
It's too dark, I can't see it. I didn't see it. You think it's too dark?
How? Oh, whatever. So here's the actual thing. Deck. Lacquered pretty nicely. Screws look good. Not crooked. Here's some stickers. People's Republic sticker. Broken Knuckle sticker. Broken Knuckle sticker. 2 more Broken Knuckle stickers. People's Republic sticker. And little People's Republic stickers. Ooh, that's nice grip. 2 pieces of their phone grip. That's pretty nice. Feels kind of like Star grip. Yeah, it feels exactly like Star grip. Alright, so I'm gonna go get a paper clip and set this up. Hey, what's up, guys? Here's my People's Republic board. Got it all set up, and here's a little quick review. Sorry, hair's all messed up, but I just got out of the shower. The wheels, though, they're really nice. Their brand wheels, obviously, are real nice. Yeah. They're pretty hard. They feel like plastic, which I don't know if they are or not. You guys can see. Yeah, they're not very grippy at all. Not a big deal though. They're nice. So yeah, pretty sweet too. Trucks, they're Allen key tune trucks. You see that? I'm not a big trucks person. I ride my trucks tight, so I don't really care much about my trucks. I mean, like these are Tech trucks. They work fine for me. Yeah, they're Allen key tune motors. They're good. The paint's already chipping away on those too, though. So the paint's obviously different. Next up is the grip. I'll go with the grip. I believe you wear it in just a grip. I don't know, but it's pretty nice, pretty grippy. Not as grippy as this worn-in Star, but yeah, it's pretty nice. You get 2 pieces of it too. I'll show you that. So yeah, you get a second piece of it. It's cut out kind of weird. It doesn't make a difference. Back here. Here's the Allen key, by the way. Just wanted to see that. So the deck. Deck is medium concave. See that? And 38 millimeters wide, or 38. It's 30 millimeters wide. Are medium to high kicks, I believe. And the dips are super defined. And look at those dips. Oh. Yeah, they're really nice. So the deck, though, is super responsive, super poppy. It's an ugly landing, but oh well. Yeah, so it's super nice. Expect the mini soon for that, but yeah, that's all I gotta say really. It's worth your money. It was only $15, plus like $4 shipping, so it's worth it. Go buy yourself People's Republic.